way of administration, the traditional way. So we are very fortunate. So, and this also I must credit the Congress leaders.
The Northeastern Hill University is collaborating with the Melbourne University, Australia for the British Library Endangered Archives Programme, BLEEP. In short, the programme aims to digitize the cultural history of the two regions of the state in the form of digital archives. The BLEEP project is administered by the British Library, while the funding is done by Arcadia, which is an international humanitarian organisation. Noted folklorist and Nehu professor Desmond Carmoflung and Professor of History at the University of Melbourne, Andrew J. May, said that it is a significant program which will digitalize materials, endangered documents, newspaper, letters and photographs. Meanwhile, Carmoflung said that they have organized this public consultation with the intention to inform the public about the project.
And we spent, I think, so this represents these,
So a 12-month project. It was not digitising everything. It was a pilot project. But as part of that, we have identified and we have learned that there is a significant amount of more material that could be digitised in the future, and that could be part of another phase of the project if we apply for funding. We collected a number of these types of materials. So we collected materials, for example, from the Assam Club, materials from the Sacred Heart Theological College Library, where they had really important collections of early Kasi language newspapers that are fragmented and rare, and sometimes the only copy that exists.
Ipantreka Meganing project, Lingba, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Barka, University of Melbourne, Australia.
So Friday,
The Lingba project